All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. So a lot of you guys are probably going to pick up the OnePlus 8 or you were considering it. So OnePlus has come every year. They're increasingly prices on their devices, so a little bit surely. But here's the OnePlus 8. I told you guys in another video, several videos, that I would pick up the OnePlus 8. And I'll probably pick up the OnePlus 8 Pro as well. But here's the OnePlus 8. And I wanted that glowy color. I saw it in person and I just was like, yeah, I want that. So I forgot what it's called, but nonetheless, you'll see it here in this unboxing. I think that OnePlus is going to probably sell a few of these. I don't know how many, but I'm sure they'll sell some. But this has a 48 megapixel camera, 6.55 inch display, 1080p, because this is the 8. 90 hertz display, 8 gigs, 128 gigs of storage, 865 processor with a 4300 milliamp hour battery. Now, the only way to get this color and 128 gigs, from what I can tell, is to go to T-Mobile. And so that's what I had to do. Let me peel this stickers off and stuff. That is the only way to, this thing is going to be hard to film. You can see everything, but this is beautiful in person, folks. I gotta tell you, this is probably one of the most beautiful looking phones ever. The sides are like everything changes colors. All around the edges is like orange or whatever it's reflecting off of. It's never the same color, and I think that is pretty sweet. So you got a speaker, Type-C, and SIM tray at the bottom, volume rocker. I love that they have the mute and vibrate switch still here and power button right there, then microphone up top. And then you have that 3-camera setup down here at the back. Now these cameras, OnePlus has them listed as a 48, 16 ultra wide, and then a 2 megapixel macro. You got that dual LED tone flash, HDR, 4K at 60, panorama. And the front is a 16 megapixel, so I'll be happy to check that out. This phone is very small. I'll show it to you next to my S20 Plus. It has, this has a 6.7, and as you can see here, it's a little bit bigger. But nonetheless, it's a compact, lightweight phone, man. I mean, it feels really good. So this first part of the video, I just wanted to show it to you. There's no free case in this box. To my surprise, I didn't see a free case or anything in here when I opened it earlier. Nothing. There's nothing. So good thing I already have a case. Shout out to Tudia for that one. I already have a case, but this is gonna be a very nice phone to review, I believe. And then I'm probably gonna go ahead and get the Pro, like I said. Stereo speakers on here, Android 10, 3.1 Type-C. Let me check the storage on here. You got the in-screen fingerprint reader, obviously, under display. I want to check the storage just to see if it's UFS 3.0. So you should pretty much get some pretty fast speeds. So I'm going to set this up and then I'll be right back. Let's hit that power button and power it on. Got to get my SIM card in here. But there it is, man. This phone feels really, really good. I got to admit, it feels great in the hand. So let's get this set up and then we'll talk about it. So there you have it for those who are going to ask. That's why I wanted to power it on. This is the T-Mobile version. All right, let's get this going. All right, guys, welcome back to the next part of the video. This will go down in history as one of the hardest phones to film. I just can't get. That's a pretty good angle. It depends on what's next to it that determines the color. And I think that is fire. That's why I went for this color. It's not like the Aura Glow or whatever. It's just something about this phone, like the sides, all of it actually changes colors. It's really nice, man. So actually been playing with this. It's been on and off the charger and I've been getting it set up. Man, the only thing that I found so far is that I had to hurry and put it in a case because this is a slippery device and the fingerprints just go crazy. But I'm going to find a thin case, clear, to rock this because, again, they didn't put a case in the box this year. They didn't do so. No worries, though. So this is the back of the phone right here again. Volume rocker, power and vibrate switch over there. Microphone up there. Speaker, SIM tray. You got it. So the fingerprint reader is fairly fast, man. When I first got this phone out of the box, though, there was 2 pieces of bloatware. Excuse me. It was Facebook Messenger, and it was McAfee, the virus software. Other than that, I got this set up like I have pretty much all of my other phones set up. I will be testing the cameras for you guys. I'm excited to test these cameras. Let me put this on vibrate. I love that this phone has the mute switch. I think it's one of the best things that OnePlus has done to all their devices. I love it. The phone feels speedy and fast. Let me show you the storage now that I have my information on there. Let's see here, storage. It was about 19%, and it was 23.97 before I put my apps on there, looks like. So, yeah, 3.9 apps or something. So, I haven't done any photos or nothing. I've just been playing with it and setting it up and checking it out. It's really fast, man. And again, I tried to get the lowest price one I could, which this is $6.99, and it is the T-Mobile version. Because I wanted this color. I didn't want black. So T-Mobile is the only company selling it, from what I understand, selling it. There might be other places now. T-Mobile is selling this for $6.99 for this color or the black one. I think this one's probably going to sell way more than the black one. But $6.99, you get 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. That is more than enough. This phone is lightweight, thin. It just feels really good. Now, around the house, I don't wear cases, but this time I said, let me put this in a case because it kept sliding. I said, I'm just going to put it in a case. I don't want to damage it. Now, again, this is the OnePlus 8 Pro, the OnePlus 8. I will be picking up the Pro as well, but I bought the T-Mobile version of this first because I wanted this color. I can't stress that enough. Somebody's going to always ask that question, but the wallpaper, when it originally came, was this. Let's look at these wallpapers. I think they're pretty clean. It came with, I think it was that one. The default wallpaper was this one. Yeah, this was the default wallpaper. And I think this is cool and everything. It kind of matches the theme of, with the phone changing colors and everything. I just switched it to the blue one just because, but again, no bloatware on this thing. Nothing. It is a nice feeling phone, man. It just feels really good. OnePlus, the only argument I've had with them is just they keep bragging about their cameras and how good their cameras are going to be. And so I'll fire up this camera app. I haven't even touched the camera app yet, but I'll fire it up and do some videos. I can't wait to do a video review of the cameras. I think that's going to be important to a lot of people. So we know that this phone is going to perform well. We know that it is. So we're not worried about that. It's a stock Android customizable phone, right out of the box. There's not much to dislike about it, man. I mean, I know that it's not something exciting to a lot of people. A lot of people say it's overpriced, but I want to get my hands on it and experience things. So in the customization section, you can do all this right here. You can change the fingerprint reader logo, what it looks like when you unlock. It comes default on this one. This is, I guess, this one of their latest ones. So, and then you got these colors on the sides that you can do. I switched it to gold. The default was blue. But yeah, man, I'm pumped to finally get my hands on this. I waited patiently, walked into a T-Mobile store, and here it is. So I won't drag this out. I want to go ahead and let you get on with your day. Just wanted to show you that I actually had the device in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Man, this is so nice, but you're going to need a rag if you don't have a... I might go with a clear skin because I love the way this shimmers, or I might just rock this bad boy naked. How many people... If you think I should just continue to rock this phone naked, no case, no skin, no nothing, just put a tempered glass on it, obviously, but if you think I should rock this just flat out, just naked like this, hashtag naked in the comments section. And so for the people are going to see that comment. For those that are like, what is it talking about hashtag naked? That's the people that watch this video. Hashtag naked if you think I should just leave it bare bones like this. Just rock out with it like this. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.